44. With just a repository and because this time I want to make this one machine. I have to make a change for my project. It's from Java. Mm. It leads me to my class. Okay, okay, we can set up Spring Boot project. Just choose the sound tutorial. Screen parking. Auto mode tutorial. Which one I choose a parking mode. The tool is different. Maybe parking first. So we choose this one. How to bucket park and make leaps in the custom. This tutorial.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete AI creation platform.
Hey there YouTube, this is Octopus, and today I'm going to help you make your very first Minecraft plugin. So we're going to be using a program called Craft Bucket with Spigot. Now if you haven't heard of these, Craft Bucket was created some time ago for custom Minecraft servers, multiplayer servers, and single player servers, I suppose, if you want to do it by yourself and mod it out, to basically add gameplay features that weren't in the game before, using only the basic mechanics Minecraft provided. Now, it used to be unofficial, but at this point, Minecraft and Mojang have embraced the plugin community, and multiplayer servers abound. So if you want to make your server better, all you have to do is learn to code a few plugins in the Java coding language. And once you've got that done, I mean, you're pretty much ready to make the server any way you want. Using Java documentation, of course. You gotta always check up your stuff before you use it. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. Now this is an important step, because if you don't set up your Eclipse correctly, your plugin may not operate as intended and may even corrupt your server. There are other ways to make plugins, of course. You don't have to use the Eclipse IDE. There are other IDEs out there. But, I mean, pretty much everyone uses Eclipse, so your best bet is that. So first thing you're going to do is open your web browser. You can see I have Chrome open here. And you're going to go to eclipse.org right here. Check out the URL. Nice and simple. The Eclipse website is open source. Open source means, you can see the code yourself, you can work on it, you can add to it, you can change it, totally available. Open source is wonderful. If you make a plugin, I suggest going open source with the plugin, though you're certainly not obligated to do so. Alright, so scroll on over to the download section. Wherever you see this button that says download, you might see a different page here if you come later, after maybe a couple months or a year into the video. So just find where it says download, click that, find where it says get Eclipse. Now the name may not be Neon as it is currently. It may change to something else starting with an O or a P and so forth. But just find where you can download the packages for just Eclipse. You don't want Che or Orion or any of this stuff, just download packages for Eclipse. Find the one you want. You're looking for Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You're not looking for Java EE. You're not looking for C, all this. You're looking for Java Eclipse IDE. Nice and simple. It's right here. You can find the 32-bit and 64-bit for Windows. If you've got some trouble downloading this, you can look up some tutorials on Google. That's kind of out of the scope of this one. I'm just going to show you how to do it real quick. So once you've got it downloaded, you're going to go ahead and make sure you have the Java, the Java JDK. You're going to want to go to oracle.com, Java SE. You're going to want to make sure you have JDK 8. You're going to look around, you can see JDK, you can download it. It's usually right here, the latest version. JDK 8 is currently the latest version. Maybe you want to upgrade. You're going to You may not necessarily need to do it with build tools, but if you're creating a new one, say for testing purposes or for actual plugins for people to join, you need build tools, alright? Because that's how you get Craft Plugin Spigot. Technically, you can't get Craft Bucket through a direct download. That's why you need the tools to build it, and that's where the name comes from. Spigot also comes with it, so it kind of just sets up your whole server folder for you wherever you want. So once you got that going, you can directly install the plugins to that folder, and you're good to go. So you can read here at spigotmc.org/wiki/buildtools. That'll take you to this page, follow the instructions, and no, it looks like a lot, but you really only need the section, let's see, you only need, gotta find it here, here it is, the link, running build tools. You can download this, and it's pretty self-explanatory. After that, it opens a little, graphic user interface. You go ahead and download it, creates the folder, boom, you're good to go. So basically, once you've got all these downloaded, you're going to want to open up Eclipse, wherever you downloaded that, and make sure you select a good folder for your workspace. That's where all of these projects here will be stored. Once you've got you won't have all these projects, it'll actually.
Now I have to make it one. This one. Make a change.
Be blank for you. You kind of have like a blank version of this screen here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to do File, New, Java Project, right there at the top. Nice and simple. Go ahead and click that, and you're going to be prompted to enter project name. I suggest something really simple. Let's say Hello World. Can't go wrong there. Hello World 2. I'm going to add the 2 because I think I already created a Hello World folder. You can name it whatever you want. If you want to name it after a
Okay, the last time we open Eclipse, right? Eclipse open, and we have to create a new project. It's about the mining machine. Go to my channel and put the modifiers. It's hard to say or open. Waiting to open. Too long. Waiting too long. No response. Then relaunch select the Eclipse workspace. Okay. Sure. It leaves me on to new project, new Java project. Really.
Plugin you intend to make, go ahead. Make sure you got the right Java version. It should already be set to that. It should be all ready to go. So you just hit finish here.
Before it's online. Actually 21.
And it'll create your Hello World project. So you're going to want to go ahead and make sure you right click this here after you run build tools. So yeah, go ahead and run your build tools first. After you run it, it should look a little something like this when you click the executable or whatever it is. you'll go ahead and run build tools, make sure it's on the latest version of Minecraft or the correct one you want. And it'll create a build tools folder in which you have all of your server stuff here. You're looking, you got your run file here.
你知道现在 Funday 学英文全在英语教材不用钱吗 ？Funday 为了配合2030双语。
That accesses these jars, and these jar files are what run the server. Craft bucket, jar file here, spigot jar file here. You can see I got several versions. You may only have one, you may have several. You just look for the one you want to use. Go ahead and remember where this location is. All right, and then go ahead and open. You click back up. You want to find your project. Right click here, click build path, and scroll over to add external archives. I know this is a bit of a doozy, but just keep up here and you should be fine. Add external archives. Guys, I know this is a bit of a doozy, but just keep up here and you should be fine. And you're gonna want to find your build tools folder with all your jar files in it, and find the ones you want to use for both craft bucket and spigot. They should match, and you need one of each if you want to do spigot programming. So go ahead and click craft bucket. Go ahead and import that there. Build path, external archive. Add the spigot version as well. You can see we've got our reference libraries here. Now we can create a package. What we're going to do is click your folder, right click it here, click new, and scroll to package. Now your package name, I usually keep them the same for
Minecraft hyperbolized new constructor. Eastern Library.
All of my, I click it here, click new. Now we can create a package. Match. Spigot.
Work today is broken. We're all working in too many disconnected apps, and it's killing team productivity. But for the first time, there's a platform.
Run it. It should look a little something like this when you click the executable or whatever it is. You'll go ahead and run build tools, make sure it's on the latest version of Minecraft or the correct one you want, and it'll create a build tools folder in which you have all of your server stuff. It's on the latest version of Minecraft.
Tools exe. This form. Open this. Then choose select the version. For my download, I compile. Now find necessary Java script. Java AO, Java 6. Close. Oh, this one. Okay. So, sometimes successful.